Hey guys, welcome to 15 Minutes of Game, where I go back in time and replay some classic games from the 1980s, just to see how far I can get in 15 minutes, and see if it was as good as I remember, or as bad as I remember. This time we're spending 15 minutes with Eddie Kidd's Jump Challenge for the ZX Spectrum. During the 80s, stunts and stuntmen were everywhere on TV. Evel Knievel was one of my all-time heroes, and I was obsessed with the idea of jumping over stuff in a car, motorbike, push bike, anything. Horse. The legendary Evel Knievel wind-up motorbike was one of the most popular toys around, and I had one of those too. In fact, I think I had a couple. But anyway, we'll go through that another time. Here in the UK, we had our very own Evel Knievel in Eddie Kidd. Eddie was truly one of the greats, and even had an absolutely epic one-on-one battle with Robbie Knievel, Evel Knievel's son, in 1993. I was lucky enough to see Eddie perform here in Hull at the Boulevard, which was the old Hull FC rugby ground. This was back in the early 80s when he was on tour around the UK, doing exhibitions and that kind of thing, you know. I was really excited, but it was something of a disappointment, with the climax just being Eddie jumping over a few cars. I think I expected him to leap over 20 buses or whatever, you know. I was only little, I didn't realise. It was only right that Eddie had his own computer game. And in 1984, UK publisher Martech released Eddie Kidd's Jump Challenge on the home computers. And fittingly, this was the first game I ever owned on my ZX Spectrum. It was also the game that kind of ruined my surprise on Christmas morning of 1984, when I opened the game before I opened my main present, which was the ZX Spectrum itself. I remember my mum saying, "Well, I don't know why he's bought you that," in a desperate attempt to rescue the situation. Bless her. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's go. Enter. And keyboard, because I don't have a joystick attached. Alright, let's have a go now. So remember, you press enter to sort of take a run up. That ends your run up. You can sort of you can pedal if you want. Let's go. Okay, what's brake? Brake? Who knows? No brakes. Who needs brakes? Let's do it. Flat out, straight over, no messing around. Boom. Okay, cool. Now, a little brake here. Okay, right, so now you can lean back and forward. Oh, there we go. Let's lean back and lean forwards. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what we can get done here. So we've got 15 minutes to try and get as far as we can. Can't see it going very well. Oh, yeah. Have we done it? Hey, look at that. No problem. 7. Okay, I don't know what the 7 is. Why I've got 7. Who knows? Jumped over 8 cars. Oh, no, we're jumping over 9 cars. Yeah, so you can sort of go as far as you like, really. And then you press enter to sort of finish your run up. Right, let's see what we get here. So we've got 9 cars to jump. About the same sort of speed, maybe. Yeah. That'll do us. Lean forward a touch, back a touch, forward a touch. Come on, Eddie. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, no. Back to the beginning, okay. No worries. Let's try the BMX again. Now, even though I'm an old git, I still love BMXs. I own a few BMXs, and can't really get enough of it, to be honest. I don't know why, but never grow out of it. Even though I spent many years not owning a BMX, I do have a few now, and I'd like a few more, please. Yeah, I'd like a couple of vintage vintage bikes, but the 1, 2, 3. What? Somebody just said 1, 2, 3. That was weird. Okay, that's probably me. What's going on? Okay. Whoa. Steady on, Eddie. Calm down, lad. Alright. How are we doing? Good. Ah, what? I thought it was pretty good. Apparently not. Let's try again. Yeah, I don't jump over stuff anymore on my BMX though. I'm a bit conscious of the fact I might break my legs, and I need them for driving and work and dancing and all that kind of fun stuff. So it's not really worth the risk. The last time I tried anything like that it's probably, I don't know, let me think, in my early 30s when I first got a BMX after having a big break, you know, midlife crisis, whatever you want to call it. I'm still in it, I think. But anyway, I bought a new BMX, went out on it, and fell off in front of everybody outside the university. Come on, Eddie, bring it together, lad. Oh, no. Yeah, I fell over, split my jeans, and everybody laughed at me. Lunchtime outside the university, I thought I'd go up the little, like a concrete embankment, but it was covered in moss, and I didn't realise. I thought I'd be, you know, really cool. That didn't work. Didn't work at all. So I fell off, scuffed my knee, split my best jeans, and that was that. And then the other time, probably about a fortnight later, something like that, I was on the way home from my friend's house, and it was dark, and I was on my BMX, and I decided I'd do a bunny hop into a sort of a raised car park between two bollards. Pretty cool, right? Unfortunately, I didn't see there was a chain between the two bollards, so I hit the chain flat out, straight over the handlebars, and even though it was late, miraculously there were some people there to see me. So yeah, they had a good laugh, and I don't blame them. And I got 6 that time. So I'm guessing the more you mess around here, like back and forth, trying to correct your jump, you get less. I suppose if you land perfectly on the ramp as well, then maybe you get more score. I don't know. If I've completed this game yeah, it's in the description. I completed this game. Once you get the hang of it, you sort of, it's not that difficult, but it's just getting the hang of it is really difficult. Okay, here we go. Back a bit. Come on, Eddie. Come on, lad. Oh, no. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, so... Okay, let's do it. You see, when I thought of doing this one first, I mean, I did this first, obviously, because it was the first game that I ever played. So I thought I'll do this one first. 15 minutes, easy complete it. Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen, but I'll do my best. Okay, BMX, what a pointless exercise that is. You can't do anything, really. Flat out, and you don't fall off, ever. What a waste of time. Here we go again. Okay. Nice and steady, Eddie. Come on. Back a touch. Forward a touch. Whoa, was that good? Oh, 0. So, because I got 0, I'm still on 8 cars. That sucks. Okay. Come on. We can do it. Yeah. Gotta concentrate, you see, that's why I'm not talking about Christmas. Alright, okay, back a bit. That was good, yeah? Why is it 0 again? Oh my god. Am I jumping too far? Is that what the problem is? Okay, let's do it a bit less. A bit slower. A bit slower. That was nice. Huh? 0. What is going on? How the bloody hell do you get past this? I've done it before. What's the problem this time? Answers on a postcard. Alright, come on. This time, Eddie. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice, nice and controlled. Oh, that was perfect. No, come on. Perfect. 0. Why? I don't get it. Is this a bug? Excuse me. Okay. Come on. What's going on? Right, this time. Oh, shit. I pressed the wrong button. Oh my god, that was ridiculous. Yeah, I got this game Christmas Day. I remember I had a box with my presents in, and I had opened a couple of things. Then I picked out a gift, unwrapped it, and it was Eddie Kidd Jump Challenge for the ZX Spectrum, which was lovely, but I hadn't actually opened my Spectrum at that point. So, yeah, that sort of spoiled the surprise a little bit. My mum, bless her, I do remember, I don't know why he's bought you that. It was my brother-in-law, John, bought me this for Christmas. And, well, it wasn't my brother-in-law at the time, but anyway, yeah, he bought me for Christmas, and it was the first game I ever got, and I opened it before my Spectrum, completely spoiling the surprise, but I didn't really care. I was just, you know, I think I was directed to open the Spectrum very shortly afterwards, just to make sure that, oh god, that I didn't really twig. So, yeah. So this was probably the first game I ever played on a Spectrum. I probably did about as well as this, to be fair. Come on. Oh, I've only got a few minutes left. I'm never going to do it. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I mean, we used to spend all our time Christmas Day. I think it was probably the year before. Maybe the year after. I can't remember. But I got a Rally Super Tough Burner for Christmas. My dream bike. And I just spent all day riding round and round in circles on my bike. Oh, as you do when you get a bike on Christmas Day. Of course, being obsessed with BMXs at the time, I'd watched people do this thing where you stand on the handlebars, one foot on the handlebars, one foot on the seat, and you sort of cruise around stood up like a surfboard, you know, and I thought, well, I've got the BMX now, so surely I'll be able to do that, right? So one of the first things I did was I went outside on Christmas Day, one foot on the handlebars, one foot on the seat, took my hands off, and immediately fell off. The bike went one way, I went the other way. I never tried that trick again. It turns out you need more than the bike. You need actual skill to to do BMX stuff. There we go. 0. Why do I keep getting 0? That's ridiculous. I don't understand this. What am I doing wrong? Come on. Yeah, I never really got into motorbikes though. Not really bothered about motorbikes. My dad had a Honda 70. I think it was Honda 50, Honda 90. Then he had a what do they call it? 250 Super Dream. Oh yes. A Honda 250 Super Dream, which was cool. That was a blue bike, blue motorbike, proper motorbike, not a moped. That was really good. But I was never that bothered, really. Not really fussed. I like watching motorbikes, I like watching like Kickstart and all that kind of thing. But never that fussed about actually doing it myself, you know. Oh yes, right, okay. We're good. We're doing good. Level 3, yes. We've got about a minute left, guys. A minute left. See if we can get past one more. Can we do 10 cars? Can we do 10? Come on. Come on, Eddie. You can do it, baby. You can do it. You can do it. If you're being cute. Come on. Oh, balls. Yeah. Alright. So there we go. I managed to get past best jump 9 cars and I scored 14. That's probably about average, I would think, for for my skill level at this game, which is not good. So there you go. Not a great game. In fact, it's pretty crap. But you know, I spent a long time on it. I won't be spending much more time on it. There is a full playthrough in the description. So there we have it. Not a great game by any means. It brought together everything that I loved into one quite disappointing little bundle. Oh, and the disappointment didn't end there. When I finally got around to reading the instructions, it stated that you could stand on the seat. No matter how much I tried, I couldn't manage it. Turns out that I didn't read the instructions properly, as usual, and the feature was only possible on the Commodore 64 version. But we'll discuss the beige bread bin another time. But for now, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, make sure you like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time for more 80s guy stuff. Bye for now. Oh yeah, if you want to see me complete this game, there's links to me doing that in the description.